the various. How about at the U.S. Army Corps? What's it look like over the next couple of years? As you sort of consolidate your data centers, get all that capability together that you've been describing, well, what does that experience look like for those that are in the core ecosystem?
And so we're trying to operate in what we call the new now, because we call it the new now because things will always change. There's nothing consistent anymore with how we operate. So when we look at the core and as we build our budgets to reflect the same over the course of the next 2 years, from an IT perspective, it may not be from a policy and program perspective, but from an IT aspect, going into the office should be a choice versus a necessary requirement. And what we mean by that is that we will have the proper IT capabilities and resources to enable our users to operate in any fashion that they choose to. So that's from a remote standpoint, wherever they may be, whether they're in Montana, whether they're in Afghanistan, wherever in the country they are, going into the office will be your choice, but it won't necessarily be a mandatory requirement because you will have the ability to operate wherever you are, and we're building our budgets to ensure we can acquire the right capabilities and ensure that we have the right agility in how we enable our services for our end users.